In today's video, we're going to take a look at the top 10 weirdest animals in the world. Number 10, the glass frog. The glass frog is strange because its abdomen is transparent. Therefore, you can see its internal organs. Viewers can see the heart pumping blood into the arteries and food moving throughout the stomach and intestines. These animals that live in tropical rainforests, like those found in Belize, Costa Rica, Colombia, Guatemala, Honduras, Mexico, and Panama, also are unique because males guard the nest until the eggs become tadpoles, while the mother is nowhere to be found. Number 9. Leafy sea dragon. If you are diving in the waters off a South and Central Australian coast and see something resembling a twig in the seas, you may want to pay special attention because it may be a leafy sea dragon. While sea dragons look like a twig, it does not use these body parts to move throughout the water. Instead, it has two fins that are almost transparent that it uses to propel itself. Male leafy sea dragons have a unique sticky area under their tails where the females lay their eggs. Then, the male carries the eggs for about 5 weeks before releasing them into the water. Number 8. Okapi. The strange coloring patterns on the okapi makes you wonder if this animal is a species of a deer or a zebra, but okapis are the only living relatives of the giraffe. You can see in the resemblance in the okapi's head, these animals live in the Ituri forest, a dense rainforest in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, relying on their hearing to warn them when danger is nearby. Scientists believe that the white stripes on the okapi's hindquarters and front legs may make it easier for calves to follow their mothers, adults to find each other, and helps camouflage them from predators. Number 7. Gerenuk. The East African Gerenuk has an extremely long neck. These animals are also strange because of their ability to rear up and stand on their back legs. This gives the animal the ability to pluck birds from the trees and eat plants other animals cannot reach. When standing on their rear legs, they can be up to 6 feet tall. This member of the antelope family has proven difficult for zoos to raise because of their shy nature and their unusual dietary requirements. These desert animals seldom drink water. Instead, they rely on their diets to provide the liquid they need. Male Gerenuks have unique S-shaped horns that curve backwards over their bodies that can be up to 17 inches long, while females have straighter horns. When a male senses that a female is ready to breed, they mark her with a special secretion from scent glands beneath his eye before kicking her several times. Then they engage in sex. Number 6. Markhor. The unusual spiral horns on the Markhor can grow to be 5 feet long on mature males. Females of this species, that is the largest of the goat family, live in herds of 50 to 100 animals. This Himalayan animal has extremely wide hooves, which it uses to step on snakes and kill them. Their broad hooves may also help them keep their footing. Further making Markhors look weird, males have thick, long beards of dark hair, gray and white manes, and tufts of pale-colored hair on their legs, while females only have very short beards. Like horses, the length of the coat varies by the season. Number 5. Echidna. Besides the platypus, the echidna is the only animal to lay eggs. This member of the Anteater family lives in Australia, Tasmania, and Papua New Guinea, where it is a solitary animal that is active during the day and evening. Echidna have tiny eyes, and it doesn't see very well. It compensates by having keen hearing and a great sense of smell. The body of the echidna is covered with beige and black spines similar to porcupines. This animal has an unusual foot because its second toe is exceptionally long. It uses this claw to comb through the body to collect bugs to eat. The echidna's short legs are extremely powerful so that it can dig into the ground quickly. When it senses predators like dogs and cats that are nearby, it quickly digs a hole into the ground. It digs straight down until only the very tip of its tail is showing above the ground, and it stays there until the danger is past. Number 4. Kinkajou. Except for primates, the kinkajou is the only tree-dwelling mammal. These animals can turn their feet around so they can efficiently run backwards. While the kinkajou's body is only about 20 inches long, its tail can be as long as its body. It uses its tail to cover up while it is asleep. You may be able to spot this Central and South American animal that is a cousin to raccoons hanging upside down near the top of the trees. It uses its long tongue to steal honey from bees as its primary food source. Therefore, this animal is sometimes called a honey bear. Females give birth to only one offspring annually, which are like kittens as they are born with their eyes closed. They are not able to see until they are about a month old. Number 3. Lyrebirds. Natural decomposition, which is the key to a healthy forest. Number 2. MYOTONIC goat. Often called fainting goats, MYOTONIC goats have a unique defense mechanism. These animals fall when they are scared, and their limbs become rigid. When you hear a sudden noise, your muscles naturally tighten for a second before relaxing. MYOTONIC goats are born with a rare condition called myotonica congenita. When they are scared, their muscles do not relax, so they topple over. This breed of goat comes in a variety of shapes and sizes. The breed was developed in Tennessee by farmers who found them easier to keep in fences than other goat breeds. Number 1. Blue glaucus. The blue glaucus, also known as the blue dragon, is a mollusk found in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. The blue dragon floats through the water on its back and uses an air bubble on its stomach to keep it swimming. This animal has a rare feeding and protection pattern that it uses while floating the seas in groups called fleets. It uses venom to kill other venomous marine life that is often several times its size. Then it uses radular teeth, like a serrated knife, to cut the animal into bite-sized pieces. While dining, it collects the venom from its food, which it then uses to kill its next prey. While they are usually found in the ocean, wind can blow them ashore, which kills them. Even then, they can release their venom if someone steps on them or chooses to pick one up. Researchers are not sure how many blue glaucuses are in the world, but they think that warming oceans and more storms allow them to expand their territory. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe.